Rochelle!
Push my luck!
Go!
Wami, huwag ka na magpakita sa akin. Magda-date tayo sa November 28. Masuko! Stop!
Ay!
Wala ng pera kaya. Pusher ka!
Rochelle!
One whammy, nothing to lose. You're going to...
Push my luck!
Go!
Wami, pasuko! November 28! Stop!
20,000!
4 spins. Rochelle, good luck. Are you gonna pass or push your luck?
Push my luck!
Go!
Wami, lakihan mo naman ang bigay para marami tayong pangkain sa November 28. Pasukot! Stop!
Oh!
Ako Rapper Wami at Ina Flash. Higupin ko ang iyong cash. Tiyo! Hihihi!
You have nothing to lose. 0 ka, pero I think you can still push your luck.
I'm gonna push my luck!
Go!
Wami, parang kawa mo na. Stop!
Okay, 9,000.
Okay. 2 spins to go, or you can pass or push your luck.
Push my luck!
Go! May buwelo pa talaga siya.
Wami, huwag ka magpapakita sa akin, please! Stop!
Children's Party Showcase.
Okay, sa 12,000, isang spin pa yan. You can pass or push your luck.
Pwede pa yan.
Push my luck!
Go!
Push my luck! Wami, stop!
Ow!
May dumating sulat! May dumating sulat! May dumating sulat! May dumating sulat! May dumating malas!
Nako!
At habang inisip ni Rochelle kung ano nga ba ang nangyari sa kanya, let's pause for a break. We'll be right back. Ito ang Whammy!
Push my luck!
Welcome back to
Whammy!
Push Your Luck!
At syempre, kanina lang, si Jolan, may 6 spins na pinasa sa kanya. Kailangan gamitin ang bawat isa. You ready? Here we go. Your first one.
Give me money! Wami! Stop!
Yan! Oh! Nawan!
Higa ka lang dyan. Gusto mo ng pamasahe, ha? Ayan, ubus pati pamasahe.
5 spins, 2 whammies, nothing to lose. Jolan, you're going to...
Push my luck!
Go!
Give me money! Wami! Stop!
Yay! Liberate!
Liberate! Sinitary Gabso, that's 60,000! Jolan! 60,000!
Jolan, may 4 na spin ka pa. So anong gagawin mo? You're going to...
Push my luck!
Go!
Give me money! Ayoko na ng chocolate! Stop!
11,500!
You have 71,500, 3 spins.
Jolan, you're going to...
Push!
Push my luck!
Go!
Yan, energy!
Give me money, please! Stop!
Ah, natagdagan pa ka ng spin.
50 plus a spin. 73,250. You can pass or push your luck.
Push my luck!
Go!
Give me money, please! Stop!
Ah!
Asa ng going Miss Wami Universe, marami akong natutunan tulad na ang mahalaga lang sa buhay ay pera! Hihihihi!
At this point, Jolan, nothing to lose. So you're going to...
Push my luck!
Go!
Give me money, please! Nakakainis ka na, Wami! Stop!
30,000! Aha, may pag-asa pa. Dapat ang makuha mo ay yung 75,000
Plus
plus
a
1 spin. para may pagkakataon ka pang makahabol kay Epi. Kapag mas mababa doon nakuha mo, automatic Epi, ikaw
Eh
ang
kung may nakuha
panalo.
pa siyang plus sa spin, you can pass actually that spin to Epi if you want to. And
Malamang.
ma-hope ka na mawami siya. So it's
Para
up to
ubos ang
you.
pera ni Epi na 119,200.
Push my love!
Magpupush pa rin siya!
Mami,